see, let's F6, I mean a 6-inch, and let's make a full-size tool. Mirror on top. Oh, can you do, that's it, mirror on top. Turn table speed 1, because we're going to make it like it's, like you're walking around it. Stroke length 152, so let's make the stroke length, let's see, 152 times 22. 30, so it's 15. Half of that's 15. Let's see what that does. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, and run. Let's see what this looks like right here. We gotta go a lot faster. But you can see the mirror underneath. Oh, look at that. See how that turns it up? But because of the tool on top, it raises the center too. But this right here, that's great. That shows you that this short stroke will turn the edge up. Let's try something else. Let's do it like real fast, because we're supposed to do it real fast. 80 strokes per minute. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be like when you walk around. And see, it's the same thing, it's just that it works a lot faster. And you don't want to pitch the form into the turn down edge. That's why you do it fast. Let's do a setup. Let's do what's 152 times 0.7. Let's do 106. And then let me see. Let's go back to 40. And then the stroke length, let's see, 152 times 0.3 is 1/3. 45 divided by 2, boom, 22, let's make it 22. Round off to 23 with, oh, no, yeah, I forgot to add 23 plus half, because we're here, so that's 50. Ooh, look at that. That really raised it up, but watch. Half of that, let's see, so that'd be 50. Now we're just breaking the edge with that. Let's see what it does anyway. Now we want to add 30 to that. But see how this curve, it's longer. It puts a nice kink there, nice kink here, nice kink here, and raises a nice kink there. That's parameters. So let's add 30 to that. Let's say 23, so it was 73. Did I? Oh, I didn't hit. Okay. 73. Okay, that's a longer stroke. So that should go like this. And look, it does. There's a kink there and a kink there. And a raised center. And this is longer focusing, because you can see. So it's not really helping the turn down edge, because it's still keeping this outside. Okay, let's keep subdie tool, let's offset it, the Y. Let me see, we're at half of 150, 75. Let's go 35 out there. That's too long. Let's not see how like the strip. Let's do 50. Shorten it. See how this edge right here? That's actually not bad. It's shortening the radius. Now, is it shortening? No, it's still down. But look at that center, and then the very. It's not really kinks. Let's see, shorten it. 20. Well, that's the offset. Sure, 23. Minus offset. Let's do that. That's close to 70%, so a little bit more. What would be 70%? 152 times 0.7, 106. So let's see. Offset. So it would be 53. Now we're on the 70%. So. It does it again. I would think it would do that, but it's kind of doing that. Let's do a full size tool right there. See what happens. Should go like this. So it lowers the edge and raises, look at that, raises the center. And actually, look at that, at the very edge, it's not raising it, but it's not slipping down, so it kind of is raising it. Short tangential strokes, full-size tool. At the 70%, and it does raise the very edge because this is sloping down, and look, it hooks. What else can we do? Alright, no offset. Dirty. Let's see what this is. See, that raises up the edge too, look at that. And the center's not as pronounced. Let's do... What did I just say? 40. This is what I normally do. Let's see what happens. This is my normal stroke when I'm polishing. So the center's not as high, and the edge gets turned up. Look at that. Let's make that longer. 50. A normal polishing stroke. The center's not as high, and the edge is still being turned up. Compared to 70%. Have to add some more to it. That'd be good for parabolizing because you need to go like this, but that kink is not good, and this kink's not good. But you need it to go slope down like this. Full size, offset Y. negative 45, 40. Yeah, that's normally where I do it. Look at that. Boom. Yeah. Okay, raise the center and lower the outside to help parallelize it. If you're undercorrected in the outer zone and overcorrected in the inner zone. The edge is like right on the center, and the edge is always cut, but it's not sort of pointy. Let's bring the offset in, and stroke length. Let's do 80. Let's see what happens. Now we're just slightly off center. That turns the edge up. Cause look, it's not. And if you had a hill, it would lower that too. Offset. I hit OK. Always have to hit OK. Now I'm over the edge. It's not going to turn it up. Watch. Probably make it go down. Look. It lowers the center a little bit, and the edge turns up, and this stays flat in here. Look at that. Very cool.